welcome back to the channel, guys. If you want to see how I made this beautiful Dollar Tree vase, I'm going to need you to keep watching this video. Oh, it's so cute. My hair. Oh, ew. I found this love sign at the Dollar Tree, and if you want to see what I do with it to create a cute little DIY, please continue to watch this video. Welcome back, guys. It's DIY time, and we're going to be doing a cute little twisty vase. And the reason I call it twisty is because I'm just not going to leave the vase plain. I'm going to use some diamond wrap. Instead of painting it, I'm going to do the diamond wrap on there. So I'm going to need my glue gun, or you can also use the E6000. I need some Dollar Tree roses. They come in red and white. This is a Valentine's Day project, so it's going to be cool. And because I'm really not a great person at doing ribbons, I think I got an idea to make a special ribbon to go on there. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is take this vase, and we're going to go around on the sides with the glue gun and wrap it on there. Here is the finished DIY. Let me show you. Those roses came out really great. It's only 4 of them, and they just contrasted so good, and it looks really full. There's about 4 to 5 roses for each one of them in there, and that came out really good. Now, of course, my DIY didn't come out like I wanted it to come out of because there is some imperfections in it. One thing is I had to put the ribbon at the top of the vase because the top just wouldn't narrow down right like I wanted it to, so I just put it at the top. Now, one thing about using this diamond wrap mesh, you want to use a couple of rows at a time to go across things that are odd shape. If they're straight, it's fine to use the whole thing, but when they're going around in this round, you want to make sure that you only do a couple rows at a time because it does get a little botched up in here, and that's what happened to my DIY. But other than that, it really came out cool. I like it. I think I probably should go ahead and redo a couple of strands of it to make it a little more smoother. But now I know how to utilize the wrap on a non-straight surface. And I'm used to putting them on the crates, and this is different when you have to wrap around. So that's a lesson to be learned. But for the most part, it did come out pretty nice. All right. Hopefully you liked this video. I did it short, quick, simple. And please make sure you let me know what you think or right below. All right. Have a great one.